Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm just going to throw this video up. It's all just pictures, but I'm about 3 videos behind between the 2 channels in my filming and editing. And in fact, tonight I'm going to start filming the 4th one, continuing to plant the garden here. So one of them I wanted to get up are the pictures that I took when I was up north with Melissa to the tent for opening fishing. You guys, I've done these kind of videos before and I've talked about it before. I do a lot of video, but I also take a ton of pictures. And I got some pretty neat pictures up there. You know, it's pretty much the whole tent video and pictures, but some of the reflections off the water when it's like glass and everything are real nice. So thought I would do a little video, throw the pictures up, and I'm just going to run the pictures 3.9 seconds a piece. So if you want to see any of them longer, pause them. I hope to get back up to the tent here within a couple of weeks. I can't wait to do some more fishing. The water was so cold last time, not much was biting, and right now is probably prime time. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I know for those of you that are subscribed to the Joe and Zach Survival Community Facebook page or the Northern Seclusion Instagram, you've seen a bunch of those pictures, but for many of you, you haven't seen them at all. I'll see you guys on the next video.